Hey, Chad Murray Biz. I help businesses scale to $2 to $3 million and beyond home service businesses. Now, if you didn't know it, I want to start a large service company. We're about to hit and be over $5 million this year, and I help guys, girls that own service companies do the same thing. So, I've been in business 27 years. I'm a business coach. I no longer work at my business. I retired from it back in 2014 2014, and it's been 10 years. Grew a coaching business. I have a marketing company. So here's my question to you: are you blaming the economy of why you're not growing right now? I mean, there is some things to that a little bit in the niches and stuff, but let me explain this. If you're building a business that grows and a business that has got the marketing, the leads, the people answering the phones, everything like that, doing it correctly, and you're doing the right stuff all the way through, you'll pretty much almost never have a problem with lead flow, customer acquisition, profits, making money. Let me give you an example why. This is Dallas, Texas. This is 100 degrees today, right now, and look at our forecast. I own a fireplace and chimney specialty company where we build chimneys, sweep them, inspect them, do a lot of repairs. And look, this is our sales for the week, 75K. And so I took the customers' numbers out and a little bit of my employee stuff. But I mean, we're in Houston and Dallas, and so the Dallas area. But I mean, literally, I'm showing you what it is. So the problem, right now is, are you buying into the fact that the economy is the problem, that, whatever the presidential election is going to be, that if whoever gets in office is going to ruin our stuff? And hey, you can probably go to my social media and find out really quick who I support. And it is what it is. But I will tell you, you can blame the economy all you want. But I mean, I own a chimney and fireplace company that in Dallas, Texas, and Houston, I'm doing 75. I mean, anywhere between 55 and $100,000 in sales a week. I'm getting customer acquisition. I've got my all that correct. I mean, so these are things you have to look at. And if you're going to sit there and just do that, you have to literally start working on your problem. Are you spending money? Are you doing this? What are you doing? Are you guerrilla marketing? There's so many things that you can do to start getting more leads. Start sales training, get the sales training right, get it dialed in where you have a foolproof system that you can teach it to one guy, to two guys, to three guys. Are you knocking on doors? There's a million things you can do, but are you blaming the economy for the phone not ringing? It's just not an excuse. I don't care what you do. I mean, I coach a lot of companies, and every one of them that under my belt are all doing good. They're all customer acquisition is right on. And so, I mean, that is really the solution is. You have to figure out what to do. And the solution is marketing. Get your leads out there right. Get your marketing correct. Get your message dialed in on social media. You must be spending a certain amount. I'd be spending 8 to 12% on marketing to get leads. If you're not doing that, that's just the number one. That's the number one rule in service company. You got to be spending 8 to 10% minimum on marketing. If you're not, and you're the word of mouth guy, and now all of a sudden it's dried up, well, no wonder. The shit doesn't work if you're not putting money into it. If you're not putting money into your business to get more business, well, you got what you deserve. You got what you asked for. Eventually, the word of mouth goes away. I mean, if you're in a home service niche, more than likely, word of mouth is not going to sustain you in a long time. It can do well, and it's a good person. Matter of fact, my word of mouth at the chimney company is about 3% of our leads come from that, which is, when you're a $5 million company, that's pretty good. And so anyway, so to outro this, just to kind of give you this stuff. So you must stop blaming anybody, anything, the economy or whatever on what's happening to your business, and start working on it. Do something. Call me. Get on me, follow me, get on my stuff, my social media, and Megan, watch this and get on with my group and let's start building your business.